Hello, my name is Dr. Apollo. So today, let's gonna have continuation of the management accounting. Let's talk about income statement. So from the name itself, income statement is a report. Yeah, every accounting is actually a report. A report pertaining if the company is making or losing. So income statement, also called profit and loss statement (P&L), summarizes company's revenues, expenses, and net profit or loss over a specific period. It reflects operational performance, showing how effectively a business generates income from its activities and control controls costs. So basically, the sales now, although sales is part of the income statement, because another thing is the expense, no, expense or support or cost, costing, marketing, and everything, no. So they are part of the operations. So for the purpose of this discussion, income statement is to provide detailed report of profitability. What's the profit of the company within a day, within a week, months, quarter, year, and so on. So on. That guide decision making, ensure compliance with accounting standards, and help stakeholders evaluate the business operations efficiency and financial sustainability. So it's a report of profitability purposes. So the main point is revenue recognition. How do we know if we are making? Include sales, service income. We say as product, no sales products. Includes services because product is goods and services. Interest, income, or other earnings. For example, stocks, no? Investments, and so on and so forth. Part of the revenue recognition recognized when earned, not necessarily when cash is received. So accrual basis. No? Cost of goods sold, COGS, they call it, no? Direct cost attributable to financing, to producing goods or delivering services. Includes materials, labor, and manufacturing overhead. Yeah, before we have a goods, we have to produce it. Or if it is a service, there must be an operation. So we need people, no? We need uh, we need materials, no? Labors the people, no? That does the uh, operating to produce the service or products. And then another item is the gross profit. So calculated as revenue or COGS, no? Cost of goods service. Measures basic profitability before operating expenses. So that's the gross profit, no? Before taxes. And then another point is operating expenses, selling general admin expenses, no? For example, uh, uh, managerial salary, no? Overhead salary. To produce the sales, we need people. So payment for that one, promotion. So operating expense could be research and development, marketing, utilities, salaries, and so on and so forth, no? And more. So they have to control this one because these are expenses. Okay, but we need research to improve the product. So this is inevitable. Okay? And then another point is operating profit, EBIT, no? Earnings before interest and taxes, showing core operating performance. So it's a different, no? In advanced accounting, these are very important classes. But for now, let's take it in a part uh, on its face value. Okay? And then other income expenses, we have non-operational items such as interest income, interest expense, assets, sales, and so on and so forth. No? Other income. Now, for example, you rented your property, your shop, no? So that could be sales, huh? That can be. And then we have the net income, the final profit or loss after deducting all expenses from total revenue. Okay, so validation, ISB under IAS 1. Presentation of financial statements. The income statement is a key financial report that must be prepared accurately to ensure transparency and compatibility. Yeah, because we have to show it to the investors. They're going to scrutinize. Harvard Business Review, some few years back, article noted that companies with consistent and detailed income statements attract more investors' trust and enjoy better capital access. Let- Let's have an example. Simplified income statement in dirham. Yeah, because I'm in Dubai. No? Yeah. So we have revenue 250,000 less cost of goods to produce that amount. You need this one. Okay, then gross profit 150K. Operating expense 60, operating profit 90K, other income 5K, less interest expense 10K, net income is 85K. So less taxes 17, net income. This is net income before tax. This is net income, the real income, 68,000 or 68K. So you see, it's very clear. No? So the issue of cost of goods is very high. No? Operating expenses. No? They tend to lower this one. They tend to increase this one revenue in order to have net income, improve the net income. How to improve the net income? Of course, avoid taxes. We call tax avoidance. Yeah, it's legal. You declare all expenses or construction. So you will zero this one. So that can be reflected into net income. What else? Other income improve this one. Rental and so on and so forth. Okay. Example is school is operating only in the morning. Why not rent it in the afternoon and in the evening? So like this. Okay. Application management evaluates supply in the management, evaluates cost control and revenue strategies. So they wanted to reduce when you say cost control, uh, uh, we have this controlling the expenses. Okay. Investors measures profitability and return potential, return of their investments. Lenders assess prepayment ability and credit risk. No? So the higher the income, the better for the lender. No? Regulators ensures compliance with reporting requirements. The GAAP or FIRS. No? So the value of this topic, the income statement offers critical insights into operational success, highlights trends in revenues and expenses, and supports strategic adjustments. So income statement is a vital tool for profitability analysis and long-term planning. In conclusion, or in the end, overall, the income statement is more than record of earnings. By the way, whatever earnings for that month, that will be stored forever for historical reference. So, for example, what is the sales in January of 1982? So, it has a report. No? That report then is a very crucial in the future. The report now is important in the future. No? Okay, it is a performance scorecard for the business. By detailing revenues, expenses, and profits, it enables informed decisions, builds stakeholder trust, and ensures that the business remains financially healthy. Okay. So we get this from ISB, from Warren, and Harvard Business Review. So for any inquiries, you can call me at this number. So for any clarifications. Or thank you for having me. All right.